Hey guys, my name is Divine, and in the studio, I'm here with.
Ken, I'm a seven-figure business owner and I've grown a lot of agencies in Africa, and I've been able to do that again and again for the past 5 years, and I've made thousands of dollars in profits, and I've also mastered how to sell services for money.
Now, in case Mr. Ken forgot this, he's a top-rated freelancer, one of the best freelancers as of today in Nigeria and also Africa as a whole. So, in today's video, we're going to be tackling one of the most questions that I've gotten from my audience so far. So, Mr. Ken, if I wanted to become a millionaire in 2025, what exactly would I do? Now, this question is from your perspective. If you want to become a millionaire in 2025, what steps are you going to take? You're going to take us from step one down to, let's get into it.
All right, so basically, that's a very good question, Ivan. And here's the thing with making money and becoming a millionaire. Most people think it's a dramatical event. It's something that happens. A millionaire is a personality you become over time, right? That's very important. So there are a couple of steps to take to do that. So the very first thing is I'm going to share a story, and then I'm going to try to explain this concept via story because people understand via stories. So when I started the game, I started with an M3 mobile, which was something I was using in university before I dropped out from the university. And it's not as if I'm encouraging people to do it, but me, I felt like my part was not there. So I came back with only this thing, this broken phone. One of the things I realized is in order for you to get money from somebody, you have to give them something back in value. Maybe directly proportional or even more than the value of whatever that money is worth. An example is giving somebody 100 naira. The person expects what he gets back from 100 naira should be 1,000 naira worth to him, whatever that thing is. So I decided, okay, what can I do with this phone? And I decided, I could edit videos for people. It was not the best videos in town, but there were people who were willing to pay for the kind of videos I was going to do with the phone. And there was this app called Quick, and that was a AI software by GoPro. And I started using that to make some videos. And this was when I discovered dropshipping. Dropshipping was quite popular then. The problem was I did not have money to test products and launch ads. So I said, how do I become valuable and still kind of get a piece of the pie? And I decided, okay, let me do video editing for dropshippers. And that's how I started my game. And I ended up making like $15,000 just editing dropshipping videos for clients at that point.
Wow, Mr. Ken, when was this, please?
This was back in 2019. I started in 2018. I didn't make any money. 2019, 2020, that's when I started seeing some money from it. So yeah, around a year, 6 months plus. Wow. But this was starting from nothing with no phone, nothing. I just started empty. And I did that. So the second step is looking for a market where the people have the money to pay. So people clean houses. Many people, they will ask them to sweep their house. They say, no, I can't sweep my house. But people have cleaning companies and they make a lot of money just cleaning. You understand how crazy it is. But it's the value that you add that determines the amount of money that you charge. So you guys should write that somewhere, okay? The value you add determines the amount of money you charge. If somebody looks at my dropshipping video that wasn't that good, but it sold products for them, they can justify the purchase of maybe $50 or $100 and pay again. Yes. If my video of $100 makes you $1,000, it would be selfish of you to pay me $100.
It's true.
But the problem with a lot of freelancers, the people who want to start the path of starting with services, is that they are always thinking they are worth this when they are worth here. You understand? So you have to check where you're at and you have to charge what you're worth. And most times it might not be that high. That's step 3. You have to be patient with the process. No matter whatever anybody's doing, you might never buy a Benz for editing logos for people for $50. I don't know if you understand. I've gone to so many places. I've seen good staffs and servers, and people are feeling, oh, this job is beneath me. But if you can stay dedicated, you can work hard, and you can learn the lessons that level of life will teach you, you might have premium lessons that might help you in the next level of life. I don't know if you guys get me. So you have to be patient and you have to learn from the processes. This is number 4, right? You have to learn from the process, you have to be patient with it, and you have to be dedicated and good at what you do. So this is a quick summary: dedication and patience, perseverance to see things through. But very important thing to use is to start.
So, Mr. Ken, what has dedication and being patient played in your role of becoming successful with your online business, in the sense of when you were patient, did you ever feel like giving up, or did you feel like maybe this business model when we did work?
I had a friend back then that we used to work together at first, and he was doing a job where he was being paid 20,000 naira. And at this point in my life, I did not even have 5,000 naira. I used to borrow 100 naira to get data. So everybody who knew me then know I used to borrow 100 naira, and I did a night plan. That's how I got online. So I do night plan in the night by 12 a.m. You guys know that plan. So it's like a 15 naira plan. So I have to do 2 times. That's how I used to come online. So I'll download everything I needed in the night and then use it in the morning. So I never got to sleep. You understand? So it's quite crazy. But to the point where the first time I saw 1.5 million naira from a client, it was like, wow. But as far as somebody was making 20,000 naira, and he was a rich man. To be honest, I wish to be him at that point. So yeah.
So your role, right, coming here, what obstacles did you face? And if, let's say, for example, a beginner has come across that obstacle, tell us what you've done or past action that you took that helped you with that obstacle that you faced along your way to success.
So that's a very good question. First of all, I don't feel like I'm successful yet. So that's what I'm going to tell you. I don't feel like, to some people, the reason why I even came for this interview is I'm more of a low-key person, and I don't like coming out to tell people, oh, you have met this and that, right?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's very important to note that a lot of people are in a current level. So if you guys are starting out, maybe you're starting out to sell a service, or you're starting out with a small business, it's not going to be what you imagined, ever. It's going to be small, it's going to be terrible, it's going to make you look bad. People are going to laugh at you. A lot of people will laugh at you. A lot of people will make you feel like you're stupid. A lot of people will make you feel like this path is not the path you're supposed to be. But the truth of the matter is, your parents, your mom, dad, sister, brother, friends, none of them see the vision that you have. That's why it's called your vision. Right? So you just have to keep it in mind that this is where I want to go. Just have it at the back of your mind. Many people will discourage you. I've worked with a lot of people who didn't pay me. They ran out of my money, and there was nothing I could do.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ken, for coming to this show to inspire people who are looking to get started. Young people who feel like, oh, I'm not doing something. So, Mr. Ken, in one sentence, what will you tell people?
So yeah, basically, what I would tell them is just keep on grinding. People are going to laugh at you. People will look at whatever you're doing when you're starting as not cool. But just make sure you just try to get through that phase and then get to the next step.
Exactly. You heard it from the boss's mouth, guys. Keep on grinding. So guys, I hope this video inspires you, and also I want you to do something right now. Like this video. Now, as you're liking this video, drop a comment. Now, once you drop a comment, tell me what you've learned in this video and the action that you're looking to change that is going to skyrocket you. Also, I want you to share this video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please do have to subscribe to this channel, because you're going to be seeing more amazing content. All right, Mr. Ken, it's an honor for you to be here, leaving his busy schedule to come and share with you his journey. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay winning. Divine is signing out, and of course, Mr. Ken is signing out. Thank you, guys.
Nice to have you,
Thank you so much.